Odisha is a state once again where we can look for a headline. Is that happening? Odisha results here. BJD at 8, BJP at 13. Last time around it was the other way around, I think.
Yeah.
I think
12-8-1. It was 12-8.
It was 12-8 and 1 for the Congress. Well, the Congress wiped out in another state. And Tehseen Poonawalla, 190 अब अफगानिस्तान से import करोगे,
No, but
श्रीलंका से,
on a
बांग्लादेश
serious
से.
note, this is something the Congress should again reflect upon. After winning Telangana, Odisha.
Why are you playing Congress?
I am supporting
Why
Congress.
are you
in the
playing
future,
Congress?
Baba. You see my kundli, I'm the future. Don't talk to me. The thing is that Congress should have focused on Odisha after winning Telangana. With the BJP-BJD combination, which was a perception that BJP-BJD are close, the Congress should have capitalized on this. To lose
But
Odisha.
the fact of the matter is that
Tamil
there is
language,
also
Tamil
an
language, Tamil
assembly
language, V.K.
election
Pandian.
that is going to happen in
V.K.
Odisha.
Pandian, Tamil
What
language.
happens in that?
V.K.
1 minute.
Pandian, Tamil angle is there.
One by one, many hands going up. JVC wants to take a quick one.
Just a minute.
We need
JVC
to-
wants to take a quick one. Does it have a bearing on assembly polls, JVC? Does this number
Definitely it will have. October 2022, after the by-elections are over, I had tweeted, it is there on record, that BJP is winning 13 and BJD is winning 8 and Congress is going down 0. Now I'm telling you.
Well, let me,
Everybody-
1 minute.
One second.
Sujit Kumar of the BJD joining us live on this show. Mr. Sujit Kumar, if the exit polls are correct, then the BJD losing its edge in the Lok Sabha polls has, the health status of Naveen Patnaik and the denials of that, projection of Mr. Pandian, have things changed on the ground for the BJD if the BJP is likely to get 13 and the BJD at 8?
Not really. Yes, the BJP might gain 1 or 2 seats. They were 8 in 2019. They might go up to 10. But BJD is certainly not falling short of 10. I can assure you this. I still maintain that we'll get about 10 or 12 seats. When it comes to the Vidhan Sabha, we are certainly winning more than 100 out of the 147 seats. So Naveen Patnaik is as popular as he was ever. He's contesting for the 6th consecutive term, and after being in chair for 24 long years, if he's coming back with 2/3 majority, that signifies his popularity.
Okay,
People of
so the
Odisha just
BJD
adore him.
already
So
giving
let
up
me
on the
assure
Lok
you
Sabha
that,
elections and looking
Vidhan
at the
Sabha at least-
assembly elections. I have to stop you because we are running short on time. Assam
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.